In this tutorial, we'll explore the One-Click Order Pro version, including all settings, features, and a live walkthrough. Let's get started. First, click on One-Click Order. From the available tabs, we'll begin with the last one, Report an Issue. If you ever encounter any problems or need help, you can fill out this form. However, sometimes we may not receive your message, so you can also email us directly using the provided address. The second tab is All Features, where you can read about everything this plugin offers. The next tab is Compare Plans, but you don't need to review this because you're already using the Pro version. Moving on, let's discuss how to use our plugin. You have 3 methods to use the plugin. The first method will be covered in the Settings section. The second method involves using 2 shortcodes. You can place these shortcodes anywhere when building your pages, but remember, the page should include only one product. You can choose to display either a Buy Now button or the direct form, and you have separate shortcodes for each. The third method is especially useful when you're building a single product website or showcasing multiple products on one page, but want the plugin's button to target a specific product. In this case, you can manually enter the product ID so only that product is added to the order. The next section is Online Orders. Since there are no orders yet, we'll come back to this at the end of the video. Now, let's move to the most important part, the Settings section. Let's begin. First, you'll find the option to set the position of the Buy Now button. By default, it's set to Don't Show. Let's open a product on the front end so we can do a live walkthrough. Here, I've selected a variable product so we can cover all the features. As you can see, by default, no Buy Now button is displayed. From this setting, you can choose the position you prefer. After selecting, click Save Changes and refresh the product page. Now, you'll see a simple Buy Now button appear. We'll customize this button to grab your customer's attention. You can edit the button text, for example, changing it to Buy Now Instantly or Direct Purchase. You'll see the text updates immediately. Next, you can customize the button colors and styles. Here, you can select a preset style. Try them all to see which one fits your brand best. Let's try one now. You'll see the button updates beautifully. If you prefer to set your own colors to match your branding, choose Custom Style and adjust the options below. You'll see the changes applied perfectly in real time. The next option is the Sticky Buy Now button. This allows the button to remain fixed on any part of the page as the user scrolls. When you enable this, the button stays visible as customers browse. For now, let's turn it off. Next is the Floating button, which is similar to the Sticky button but is useful if you want 2 buttons, one sticky and one in the original position. Let's enable it, select the position, and set any custom text. Now you'll see both a simple button and a floating button. If you'd like to change the colors of the floating button, you can do that exactly the same way as before. Another useful feature is the attention-grabbing animations. You can apply these animations to the button to help it stand out. Try out all the available animations one by one to find the perfect match for your store. I recommend adjusting the position of the animation as needed. Finally, when customers select their product variations and quantity, they simply click any of the buttons. They'll be redirected to the checkout page. At this point, you'll notice the form is very clean and simple. The next tab is called Field Display. Here, you can choose whether to display the full name field or first and last name separately. You can also set these fields to be enabled or required, depending on your needs. Similarly, the same options are available for the address field. You can enable it, require it, or leave it optional. You can also enable other fields as needed for your order form. Now, let's move to the front end to see how clean and simple the form looks. The next tab is Additional Info. Here, you can add any extra information to display on the front end. As you can see, a notification message has been added and it looks very nice. The following option is Payment Method. You can enable both cash on delivery and online payment. Here, you can also set the notification email where you'll receive all order-related alerts. Next is the Online Payment Settings tab. In this section, you can enter details for any payment methods. For example, I'm adding EasyPayza. I'll set the account title to EasyPayza and enter the account number. I'll also add Jazz Cash with its account number. You can include any additional payment instructions here as well. After saving the changes, let's check the front end. You can see that both options now appear: cash on delivery and online payment. In online payment, customers can even upload their payment screenshot. Next is the order form and thank you page coloring tab. Here, you can choose any preset color scheme. Let's try one. See how beautiful the form looks now. You can test different presets or manually adjust the colors. For example, if you want to change the input background color, just update the value and save the changes. While this color combination doesn't look great, you can customize it to match your brand. Let's try another preset. This one looks much better. Now, the customer needs to fill in all the information. I've added some sample details along with a PDF receipt. You can view the PDF directly or click Continue Shopping. We can also display a WhatsApp button here. Simply check this option and enter your WhatsApp number in this format. First the country code, followed by the rest of the number. After saving and refreshing the page, you'll see that the Contact on WhatsApp button appears. The last tab is Online Orders. When you click on it, you'll see the order we just placed. For better clarity, let's open WooCommerce orders in another tab. Note the order number here. You can compare and verify the data. As you can see, it's the same order. From here, you can change the order status, for example, to pending payment. After refreshing the page, you'll see the updated status. If you change it to processing and click Update, the status will update again after you refresh. The main purpose of this page is to help you manage your orders efficiently. You can copy the order number, view all customer and order details, and view the receipt. After confirming the payment, you can set the status to processing. If there's any issue with the order, you can delete it or update it as needed. I hope this is clear. You can also filter orders, for example, to display only on hold, pending payment, or processing orders. Everything is easily accessible. Finally, you have the Export to CSV option. When you click it, you'll see a clean, beautiful export file. You can also export to PDF. Click Keep, and your PDF will open. See how well formatted the exported PDF looks. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section or get in touch with us directly.